call you, we will. But witnesses should not hear testimony of other parties. Since Ms. Leong filed, she will be the one to testify first, and if I need to hear more, then I'll bring in more witnesses.
Your Honor, I do have another witness who saw what happened. Shall I bring him over?
Okay. As I just stated, the parties are here all the time. That is Ms. Leong. Witnesses need to wait and not listen, because what happens is if one witness hears what the other people say, sometimes they come in and will just say, oh, everything that person said is true. But that's not how we run court. We want to run court by hearing everyone's story. I will talk to her. I might need to hear more, or I might have other questions for you. I might hear enough from her and not need to talk to you. And if I decide I have enough to make a ruling without talking to you, please know that I mean no disrespect, but that means that Ms. Leong will have presented enough evidence to justify her protective order without bringing in other assistance. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes. No.
So, Mr. Leong, if you don't mind going to another room, then I will begin talking with her. All right. Ms. Leong, you have been sworn in. Now, I have some of your paperwork here. You said that at the time you filed, you were living with, is it Miss Devereaux?
Yeah, she live in my upstairs rental rooms.
Okay, so she lived upstairs and you lived downstairs in the same house.
Yes.
Okay. And were you the landlord, like she was paying you rent?
Yes, correct.
Okay. And there was an incident where she got arrested earlier this month, or at the end of March, I guess. Is that right?
Yeah, March 30, yes.
Okay, what did she do to get arrested?
We have a hard time. People complains. A couple of people are living with me around this house. But then I have all the evidence of she killing with the beds, beating my wall, trying to set the firehouse. I have all the videotape of people send it to me. And then my husband and other lady upstairs trying to go to courthouse, tell about judge. Judge say, oh, you need evidence of 2 different people, 48 hours. I said, wow, we need this guy available. I just cannot. I'm very sick, diabetic. I'm real age is under 67. I'm hardly walk over 6 years. And I just cannot deal with it. I said, told my husband, go to courthouse, get it done. She gotta go. And then her daughter and the social worker, police, many times she calling police all the time. They came, they couldn't get her, couldn't catch her. But anyway, and she been talking very loud when I go up there. I said, who she's talking to? I don't see her telephone. But she was not like that like 1 year ago. After that, I don't know what happened to her, but she talking loud, laughing. I said, wow, she's something wrong. But, I'm so sick trying to taking care of my body, mind. I couldn't focus on what she's doing, whatever. And then so much going on upstairs. And my husband, I told my husband, go to the courthouse, tell about what's going on. The lady, she go there. She hit upstairs lady, Monique. She went to the dental office. She couldn't come to here today. And she hit her too on the head. And then she told me.
Did she hit you?
Yeah, she hit me too. So.
And how did she hit you? Like, what did she use?
She hitting me. I just came home. In and out. I came home around 5:30, 6:30 between. I don't know time. And I slowly get into the get out of the car. Hey, Serena, you've been talking all day there. Can you go inside talk, please? You're disturbing everybody. And she came down. She came down. She was totally changed her face, completely totally changed than normal her face. There's so much changed. So I'm so sick in and out of hospital, but I couldn't focus on her. I told my husband, neither she gotta go. I'm scared. I cannot go up there. I cannot do anything. And then she came to me. I said, wow, she will hand fist very tight, hold it tight. I said, Serena, why you fist so tight? Why you like that? Oh my God. And then she just pushed me. My chest was hurting for over 3 weeks. And then all of my, I told my head, stop hitting me. She hitting my arms. I bruised. I took a picture, everything. In the knock a big knock here, 2 by 2 for 3 feet, and the wood sticking my hitting. Oh my God, help me! I'm trying to hide in corner somewhere, but she's coming after me. I said, wow, my God. Then I try to blocking my face. I try blocking this. She hitting here, my shoulder, blue marks, everything. I took all of it. I have here, and oh my God, just she got to complete the complete, oh my God, complete just out of her control.
And you two live in DeKalb County together, or your house is in DeKalb County?
Yes, you want it. I have a list. I have a list here. She moved in, and move in date is here. And May 1st, 2021. So,
All right, so I will extend your order, and that means that she'll have to stay away from you and your property and stay 100 yards away from you. And so we will enter that order and make it part of the court record, and it will be on file if you need to get a copy from the clerk, okay?
okay, so we're done. You're done today. We are done finishing.
You're done for today. You can let your husband know that your testimony was enough for you to receive the protective order, and that his testimony will not be required.
So she's be where is she going to be? She's in the hospital, mental hospital. Where's she going to be?
I don't know where she is,
Oh,
but she's not in jail. I checked that, and she bonded out of jail. So as far as I know, she's free. And so I'm going to extend this protective order based on your testimony, and she has chosen not to appear as far as I am aware. If I get evidence later that she went to another jail or a mental hospital where she couldn't decide what to do, or her absence was not her fault, we'll deal with that later. But as far as I know right now, based on everything I've been able to check, she's not here. I don't have a reason why, and so I'm going to grant your order.
yes, she been shut my house fire. I have a camera there. She getting on the bed.
So what we're going to do now is we'll place you back in the waiting room, and from the waiting room you'll be able to log off from there when you're ready. Okay?
Log on. What do you mean log on?
Log off. You can leave and enjoy the rest of your day. You're all
Okay.
done.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Bye-bye.